Hey guys, how are you doing? And in this episode, we are going to see a useful app review and 10 licenses giveaway of this application that is worth $1.39. Subwidget allows you to create a widget for your YouTube channel or any of your favorite YouTube channels that shows total subscribers count in your homepage or wherever you want in your iPhone. It has some cool features that I'm going to show in this quick preview. So once you've installed Subwidget from the App Store, I'll leave a link to this app in the description and in the first comment. But before buying the application, give a shot by participating in our giveaway. If you're lucky, you may win a license and you can get this $1.39 worth a simple tiny utility application for YouTubers, who use iPhone, iPad and Mac computers. You may find it useful. The homepage of this application is very minimal, well designed, and it has simple user interface. And here at the bottom, you can see the settings section has a very simple options too. The update frequency is the only toggle that we have control of, like whether the widget that you are going to set should be refreshed and updated every 30 minutes once, 1 hour, 6 hours or 12 hours once. I have kept it as 12 hours so you don't have to worry about any battery draining issue that, normally people are afraid to use widgets in their iPhone or iPad that it may consume more battery when it is, getting updated every few minutes once. So you don't have to worry about that. You have the control over it. And simply by tapping on this plus icon, you can enter your channel name and then click on submit to enable this as a widget. Here, for example, I'm entering my another channel and I'm clicking on submit. I can see the preview of the channel in both small widget and in the medium widget. So I can decide which one to enable and how it will look in my widget section. So I'm clicking on done and you can see that the total number of channels that I have added appears in the Subwidget app home screen. So after this, I can enable this widget by tapping and holding on the home screen and by tapping on the plus icon at the top left corner, and simply I have to select the Subwidget. Then I have to choose which size widget I need. So click on add widget and here it is. Now I'm going to enable smart stack feature simply by dragging and dropping it on the another widget, and you can see that it still shows that I have to add a specific channel that I have added in the Subwidget application. So simply tap on it and from here you can choose which channel should be enabled. You can of course add multiple channels and you can see the preview here. I'm clicking on done. So if you have multiple YouTube channels, you can get a quick preview of how many subscribers you have simply with the widget or by using the smart stack. Let's talk about the giveaway. The rules to participate in the giveaway is pretty simple. All you have to do is mention your YouTube channel name. Don't give the link. YouTube may flag that comment as a spam if you try to paste a link. So simply give your YouTube channel name and what that channel is all about. Just explain it in one line all about your channel, and then you can share this specific video in Twitter. That is all. And the giveaway will end on 17th October. It is going to be 3 days. So on 18th October around evening time, I'll publish the winners details, as the winner selection is going to be completely random. I'll publish the video of selection of winners also, to keep everything transparent in our channel. And best of luck. We'll see you in the next video with another useful tip. Thank you and have a wonderful day.